Hello. One of the most beloved countries in the world is the Netherlands. With its rich culture and amazing standard of living, it is a popular destination for tourists and homebuyers. However, the Netherlands has a major threat: flooding. Flooding has plagued the country for years, going all the way back to the 1953 flood that killed 2,000 people. With rising sea levels due to global warming, the Netherlands has never been under a larger threat from flooding than right now. 55% of the country is flood-prone, and with 26% of the country being below sea level, this gives the people of the Netherlands a serious concern with flooding. With only 50% of the country being above 1 meter above sea level, rising sea levels, that number will only grow to 60% or 65% of the country. Climate.gov estimates that at the very least, sea levels will rise 0.2 meters by 2100. However, this number can be much higher, with the highest estimates being 2.5 meters. But we cannot make the Netherlands any less prone to flooding than they are right now. We can help stop the Netherlands from becoming more and more prone to flooding. Climate change is a major problem for the Dutch right now, and it will continue to be one for the Dutch in the future. This is because with climate change comes rising sea levels, which makes the Netherlands more and more prone to the flooding of its coasts and inland. But there are many ways that you can help fight climate change. Eliminate food waste and switch to green energy, such as clean choice energy. Use LED lighting, which uses 90% less energy than other lighting. Take public transit, or start using electric or hybrid vehicles. Make a habit of recycling products and buy less. Remember to always reduce, reuse, and recycle. While climate change may affect some more than others, fighting must be a global effort, and we need you to help now, before it is too late to stop this climate disaster. You can also help fight climate change by donating to charities such as globalgiving.org.